guys, we are going shopping today and it's Mother's Day nearly, so they are all selling Mother's Day. Oh, I love this. Give me one. That's for moms. Yes, for moms.
Is it Mother's Day today?
No, not today.
When? On Monday? It's on Monday, Mom.
Next month.
Why is it Mother's Day?
So many clearance, guys. $2. Oh my god, I wish I can buy you all of this. $1. Here's another one.
Suspenders, black, no for Zach.
I see you walking every day.
What's this? Oh yes. Hey, look. Heat pack
That's a problem. What's that for?
for my shoulder.
Where you put that?
Put it in the microwave. Do it
Okay.
like that.
We got a hot water bottle.
We don't. How much? $6. Oh, is the other one's missing.
400 pesos. Hmm?
Where's the other one?
400 pesos, yeah, missing.
I really want to buy this.
Where's hot water bottle?
Huh?
Hot water bottle.
Oh,
We
you
got.
have to boil this one. You just put in the microwave.
Han,
Oh, there.
Han, look. Okay.
Nah.
Handmade knickers.
Oh yeah. Dude, that's the other one. Use it for my shopping list.
What do you find now?
Like yeah. You put in the microwave.
You put that in the microwave.
What is this? Hot tipak. See, you put in the microwave and you put on your food at night.
Put that in your microwave. Han,
Oh, that's
put it in the bum.
That's cooler.
I have snow pants.
What are you doing? Hmm?
See, that's a snow pants. I need this.
No,
I need this.
big Balak Bayon haul here. Big YouTube going video.
See that one? See, there's a really actually a nice jumper there. Hey, what's this? Chewy. I like this. Do you how much? What's the brand of this?
Han, can we get that?
What's that?
Han. For you. Huh?
It's not even. It's not
It's size 4.
Halloween yet.
We fit? Huh?
No. That's actually nice. You got this one? Autumn leaves everywhere now in here.
Hi guys, today we went shopping and Mommy liked this. It's a JoJo bow and here's the back. And you know what this thing came? From the bow. It's a hair clipper bow, but it's not really like a hair tie one. See? And See? And you can go in my hair. But first, we have to tie your hair up first. It's only $9. Bye, guys.
Nej.
Hello, guys. Today I went shopping with my mom. Today I went shopping with my mama and dad and Zoe, and I bought a tie from a shop, and it's only $50.95, and it's black and it fits me, and I really wanted a tie.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna unwrap it. Oh, nice. And I got a shopping list. And it's from my tie.
Scissors, I see.
See?
How much is it?
$1. Wait, no. $50.95.
Yes, scissors.
The total is $50.95. The total. And that's all for today. And please like and subscribe and comment. And thank you.
Okay.
And a comment down below. And bye. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.
See, go next.
Ska du put it on now?
See you next
Yeah,
time.
put it on.
Nah. Okay, maybe not.
Come on.
And you need to put it on. See.
Fix color.
I need to put it over.
Good. You stand up there now. Show everyone. That's it. You stand up in there, Zach.
Help Zach fix the box.
Thank you for watching. For me and Zoe, we're going shopping. Okay, bye. Congratulations.
Why do you love ties?
Pink? Because I never had one.
Stand up in
Now,
your
where's
seat.
the paper on your
Where's the
pocket?
handkerchief?
Paper?
Get a handkerchief, quick.
Where's the hanky?
Yeah. Make one.
I know how to make one. I can easily make one.
Yeah, no, you
I'll
do.
show you.
You do like this.
I know.
Yeah, put it in. Quick.
Look at this.
Put it in.
No.
Put it in.
Too big.
Oh, that's too big, boy.
Look at that. Fold it in. That's it.
Wow, you look like
Stick it out a bit.
you look like
Yeah,
a lawyer.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Stand straight.
Fix your bow tie because it's crooked.
Huh?
Your tie's crooked.
Make it straight.
Yeah.
There.
That's right.
better. Wow! Move it closer because it's so bright.
What's Mummy laughing at?
Oh, wow! That's so cool. Look at that necktie. Did you like it?
Mm-hmm.
You like
Yeah.
it? Good job.
What's for lunch?
Wow.
Huh?
Alright, that's enough.
Let me see.
Hi guys, so we just went to up shopping and I bought a hubby some casing for the phone. And I actually didn't like that phone because my blemishes are very obvious and it's so vivid clear. So I was about to try it but I didn't because I don't like it. See, that's, oh my god. Look at my face. Look at my face. This is so, me, I'm not using that. No.
Just show him. Turn around.
See, it's so clear. You can't even see. See, oh my god, I can't even see the smallest pimple in there.
Turn around.
Oh my god,
Turn around properly. No,
I can't. Oh yeah, like that. See, I can even see the smallest pimple in my face. So I'm not using that phone ever. Nah, I rather use mine. So we went to up shopping too, and then bought some jumper. Actually, bought some jumper from the up shop, and actually a good one. I'll show you later what I bought. So we're just waiting here in the outside the school because we're gonna pick the kids up. And then yeah, so I already prepared something for tea, and we all good for today, are we? So I tried this what's this called? Sparkling water mango, and it's really good. Yeah.
4K,
So, yeah.
60 frames per second.
Nah, I'm happy with my phone at the moment.
Why?
Ew, I don't like that. That's scary. That reveals the reality of life. At least with this, I can hide some of my what's it called? Flaws and imperfections. Isn't it? We don't need much filter, just a natural, isn't it? So yeah, I'll see you guys later.